Hey YouTube viewers, welcome back to my channel. In July 2024, my husband and I went on our honeymoon to Australia and New Zealand. The first city that we stopped at was Sydney, Australia. If you're about to visit Sydney and want to learn more about what you can do in the city, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned and I'll share with you all the details about my trip. In this video, I'll be talking about the following things: places I visited, food, accommodations, and how to get around. Before we begin, I would really appreciate it if you could support my channel by giving this video a like, leaving a comment below, and hitting the subscribe button. Let's get started. Places I visited: Royal Botanic Garden, Sydney. The Royal Botanic Garden, Sydney is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and anyone seeking a peaceful escape in the heart of Sydney. With its stunning collection of plants, breathtaking views of the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge, and a rich history dating back to 1816, it offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural significance. Visitors can explore lush gardens, enjoy guided tours, and participate in various educational programs while surrounded by picturesque landscapes. Whether you're looking for a relaxing stroll, a photography opportunity, or simply to connect with nature, the Royal Botanic Garden is an unforgettable experience. Sydney Harbour Bridge. The Sydney Harbour Bridge is an iconic symbol of Australia and a must-see attraction for anyone visiting Sydney. Offering breathtaking views of the Sydney Opera House, Circular Quay, and the sparkling harbour, the bridge provides a unique perspective of the city's skyline. For the adventurous, the bridge climb experience offers a chance to scale to the top, taking in panoramic views of Sydney. Whether you're walking across, taking photos, or enjoying a guided climb, the Sydney Harbour Bridge offers an unforgettable experience that showcases the beauty and engineering marvel of one of the world's most famous landmarks. Sydney Opera House. The Sydney Opera House is one of the world's most recognizable architectural landmarks and a must-visit in Sydney. With its stunning sail-like design set against the beautiful harbour, it's not only a visual masterpiece, but also a hub for world-class performances, from opera and ballet to concerts and theatre. Visitors can explore the venue on guided tours, enjoy a meal with a view at its restaurant, or simply admire its breathtaking surroundings. Whether you're a cultural enthusiast or a lover of stunning architecture, the Sydney Opera House offers a rich and unforgettable experience. St. Mary's Cathedral. St. Mary's Cathedral in Sydney is a stunning example of Gothic Revival architecture and a must-visit for those exploring the city. Located in the heart of Sydney, the cathedral's towering spires, intricate stained glass windows, and peaceful interior offer a sense of awe and tranquility. Visitors can admire the beautiful design, explore the surrounding gardens, and attend mass or special events. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, or simply seeking a serene spot in the city, St. Mary's Cathedral provides a remarkable cultural and spiritual experience. Hyde Park. Hyde Park in Sydney is a lush urban oasis perfect for relaxation and outdoor activities. Located in the heart of the city, it offers beautiful green spaces, historic monuments, and tranquil gardens, making it ideal for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. Visitors can enjoy the impressive Archibald Fountain, which features stunning sculptures and water displays, or take in the serene atmosphere surrounded by tall trees and scenic pathways. Whether you're looking to unwind, explore history, or simply enjoy nature, Hyde Park provides a peaceful retreat right in the center of Sydney. Bondi Beach. Bondi Beach is one of Sydney's most iconic destinations, offering sun, surf, and a vibrant atmosphere. Known for its golden sands and crystal clear waters, it's a haven for beach lovers, surfers, and those seeking a laid-back day by the sea. Visitors can take a dip in the ocean, stroll along the scenic Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk, or enjoy the lively cafes and shops nearby. Whether you're into surfing, people watching, or simply soaking up the sun, Bondi Beach offers an unforgettable Australian beach experience. Darling Harbour. Darling Harbour is a lively waterfront precinct in Sydney, offering a diverse range of attractions for all ages. With its vibrant atmosphere, visitors can enjoy family-friendly attractions like the Sea Life Sydney Aquarium, Wildlife Sydney Zoo, and the Australian National Maritime Museum. The area also boasts a variety of restaurants, bars, and shops, perfect for a day of dining and entertainment. Whether you're looking to explore, shop, or simply relax by the water, Darling Harbour provides a dynamic and exciting experience with beautiful views and plenty to do. Queen Victoria Building. The Queen Victoria Building in Sydney is a stunning architectural gem offering a unique blend of history, shopping, and culture. Built in the 19th century, the Queen Victoria Building features magnificent Romanesque architecture, including grand domes, stained glass windows, and intricate details. Inside, visitors can explore a wide range of boutique shops, cafes, and restaurants, making it a great destination for shopping and leisurely strolls. Whether you're captivated by its beautiful design, looking for high-end retail therapy, or simply appreciating the historical significance, the Queen Victoria Building offers a memorable experience in the heart of Sydney. Food. Bondi Tony's Burger Joint. On the first night we arrived in Sydney, we dined out at a burger joint called Bondi Tony's Burger Joint, which was walking distance from the accommodation we were staying at. Since we went to a burger joint, of course we had to try their burger. I ordered the classic cog burger, while my husband ordered the Trippin' Seahorse burger. They were both good, but the price for the meal was quite expensive. My husband ordered a beer as well, and the bill turned out to be $72.42. Basta Sydney. Another place that we ate at was at a falafel and meze counter called Basta Sydney. This place had really good reviews on Google Reviews, so that's why we decided to try it. I had a dish called sabik, and my husband ordered a chicken shawarma. The presentation of the food was excellent, but the taste was pretty average in my opinion. In total, it cost us $40 for lunch. Machiavelli Bondi. The last place that we ate at in Sydney was at an Italian restaurant in the Bondi Beach area. Out of all the meals we had on our honeymoon, this was by far my favorite meal. We ordered a few dishes to share since everything came in small portions. We ordered Sicilian olives, focaccia, kingfish crudo, house-made sweet potato gnocchi, pasta of the day, and a rocket salad. Everything we tried was mouth-watering. If I ever come back to the Bondi Beach area again, I would definitely go back to this restaurant. The total cost of the meal was about $170, which is a bit more on the pricier side, but given the quality of the food, I'd say it was worth it. Accommodations. My husband and I stayed in Sydney for 2 nights at an accommodation in the Bondi Beach area called Ultimate Apartments Bondi Beach. The total cost of our accommodation was $267.56. As the name suggests, we stayed in a small apartment complex that had basically everything we needed for our short stay. While we were there, we did notice an ant problem in the kitchen, but the reception had bug spray, so once we sprayed the area, everything was fine. The plus side of staying at this place was we were able to check in early, which was nice, especially after taking a red-eye flight to get to Sydney. Overall, I would give this place a rating of 7 out of 10. How to get around. Sydney is a very developed city with a great transportation system. You can get almost anywhere by public transit. To pay, you can use a contactless payment method such as your debit or credit card. With the contactless payment method, you'll get charged the same adult fare as with the Opal card, which is a travel card used in the city. And that's a summary of my visit to Sydney. I hope you found this video interesting. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. As always, if you like my content, please show your support by giving this video a like and smashing that subscribe button. See you next time!